Welcome to this video. I am Guillaume, and with this I want you to realize something. It will help you massively with success and presence within your body and your mind, even whilst being busy with your business or your career. Not to show off to other people, even in the slightest, but how you can easily turn into the person that you've always aspired to be. But a lot of you guys see it in the wrong way. So my job right now is to change your paradigm that might resonate better with the way that you view life right now and how you view success. So you can finally have the muscular and confident body without you even have to open your mouth, and the present mind that keeps you locked in on your goals. If you don't know me yet, I've been in the army for about 5 years, and after that I became an online coach, and I've helped and still help countless entrepreneurs and busy men that are high achievers, but their body and their mind is nowhere near the success of what they've been doing in their career. Their body is literally draining energy rather than giving it, and they struggle with being present, only thinking about the past or the future. Now, to come back to the source of the video, every move that I've made was in silence. And only a small amount of people exactly knew what my actions were, as well as the results. And this is why you too need to take a step back and close your mouth when it comes to you wanting something. And when you do achieve the body and the mind that you desire, which results in more wealth creation, there is also no need to show it off. Keep it to yourself. This internal energy and success that you will keep to yourself will automatically start to show off. But when you force it, it doesn't add any value and it becomes kind of ugly. When you finally have that lean and muscular physique that just looks and feels good, don't tell anyone that you're going to start with this journey or that you're going to work with a coach. And when you do achieve it, when you do arrive, there's no need to speak about it. Let the results speak themselves. Let the body talk. It doesn't matter if you wear clothes, like me right now. I don't care if you see my physique. You know it because of the way I talk and how I behave myself. People look at me and they turn their heads, not because I show off my six-pack and my biceps, just because they sense this attractiveness and confidence without me having to show it off. And that's the key. That's when you start to attract a lot of opportunities in your life. And if you think that you still don't get more opportunities or more luck and success because you're just looking good and that you're a fit individual, you're either living under a rock or you don't want to face the discomfort that comes with that. When you can show without showing it, you are going to be the most attractive and confident person on earth. And this is not about mystery, this is just about not having to express yourself. It means that you are in control of all your habits and the problems that you face. When you control yourself, everything external starts to align out of itself. You don't need to find the perfect partner, it will come to you. You don't need confidence, attractiveness, or appreciation, or whatever it is on that frequency, you literally become it. It means that I'm showing up every single day, and people think I'm delusional for doing that. I always explain that to my clients within my group calls, that there will be a moment in your life when you are developing your body and your mind that either friends, family, or coworkers will start to think that you're delusional for doing that. They will think it's stupid or egotistical or stubborn, that you're always training, that you're always taking time for yourself and telling people no. They will ask you like, can't you chill for a bit? Become like us again. They are trying to drag you down to their level. And people will think you're delusional until you show them the results of how big of a success you can have when you do control your body and your mind, and it will bring you more wealth and financial status. Don't be that person only when you are with these people. That's not it. It's about being that person even when no one is watching, as in right now. What have you done before watching this video? Did you try to develop your body and your mind? And what will you do after watching this video? Who are you when no one is watching? Now here's the cheat code. How can you be that person that is always motivated, disciplined, and consistent whilst being busy with their career or their business? True power, without having to rely on motivation, only will come when you align this idea of presence within yourself. All your actions on a day-to-day basis are done within the present moment. And when you start thinking about the past or the future, You integrate thoughts, feelings, and emotions that will not suit you in the moment itself. Therefore, the actions that you take are not in alignment with the person that you want to become. You are not busy with your business or your career. You are using this as an excuse to keep thinking in the past or the future. And when you meditate, let's say for 5 minutes, you will already sense a mindful state of mind. Your thoughts will start to appear way slower. Therefore, you will be able to detach from them, as well as your emotions, your thoughts, your feelings, because you're not thinking in the past or the future anymore. And with that, you are able to take the right steps that are in alignment and that will serve your future self regardless of how you feel and how you think. Because how you feel and how you think are mental roadblocks. There are limitations that you will set yourself, letting you believe that it's not possible and that you don't have the time or the action required to have that confident and muscular physique. And you forget what kind of benefits this can actually give you. And yes, it's important to work a lot because money is what makes the world go around. But some people are so broke that the only thing they have is money. Every workout that you skip, every unhealthy meal, and you don't want to take time to sit with yourself in silence, regardless of how cringe you think it is, you're training yourself, but just for the wrong outcome. So if you're going to keep seeing this as a commodity, looking after your body and your mind, it doesn't matter what you think. Every action or inaction is a vote for your future self, of who you will become. Each action counts, and the life you want, it already exists. It's just waiting for you to show up as a person that deserves it. You don't need to find success. You need to become someone that is ready to claim it. When your body, your mind, and your habits are aligned, opportunities unfold itself effortlessly. If you'd like to see my daily routine and my habits, as well as my client results, then go ahead. It's on my Instagram highlights, as well as on my stories. So if you want, you can follow me there. And if you'd like to be coached by me so I can help you get to that dream physique as well as your mind, so you can take the right direction and the actions, fill out the form below. I will leave it in the description. Let's have a chat so I can help you save time and get out of that analysis paralysis. I hope this video was valuable to you. Bye bye.